don't forget to curl my lashes.
Anyways, it looks so pretty.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Tanusree here. This is the look I create and I'll share this look. This is a party glam look with blue eyeshadow makeup. I hope this makeup will help you. If you like this video, then please give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel, and that will motivate me to continue uploading contents like this. So let's not talk too much, just jump into the video. Before I start the makeup, skincare is very important. Already I wash my face. Now I'm using Good Vibes toner. It takes 30 seconds to absorb in my skin. Then I'm using 2% salicylic acid serum. It's for active pimple. It's just about to finish. Now I massage it, and don't forget about your neck. I'm using Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. Massage it in an upward direction. That will tighten your skin. I always prefer to take a gap at least 5 to 10 minutes before doing makeup, because it's important to take time to your skin to absorb all the skincare products you use, because it takes time to absorb and sink on your skin. So I will be back in 10 minutes. Okay, now I'm applying primer. Here I'm using Blue Heaven Flawless Makeup. It's a makeup primer. It's oil free because I'm a combination skin, and I'm only using this on my T-zone and also beside the nose area. Now I'm using color correction because it's important, because I have pigmentation, dark circles and some acne dark spots. To cover all these things is important for a clear base. Here I'm using this concealer. This is Insight Pro Concealer Palette. Over this area and my bridge of the nose, T-zone area. Now I'm using foundation. This is very easy when you apply all the products at once and then blend with beauty sponge or a foundation brush. Before I'm blending all the products, I prefer to set my face with makeup fixer. Then I'm using a brush and blend all the products. It's very easy to blend. If you want, you can definitely use a damp beauty blender and also use setting spray on it, and then you blend. Then you will start blending with your sponge. That also gives you a flawless look, and don't make your face, make your makeup cakey. Today's makeup is very dramatic eye look, because I usually don't make up like that, but I thought I get out of my comfort zone and then I create something about some dramatic kind of look, and you can also carry this look in any occasion. Now I highlighted some points under my tip of my nose and this much. Also, I conceal my eye with this. This is from Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. Now I'm using a damp beauty blender, and also I'm using setting spray because it's needed. And it's time to blend. And just look up and then blend it. As you can see, it's very highlighted. And yeah, before I set my face, I want to contour my face a little bit, just a little. Fit Me compact powder and set all the face. I literally have two different shape of eyebrows, and I really don't like at all, and it's very much difficult while I'm doing my eyebrows. I'm taking a light transitional shade. This blue kajal. I'm blending all the products. Now I'm taking a light blue shade and put it over it. Deep brown shade and blend on the outer corner of my eyes. Again, I'm taking this transition shade and blend over all. Now I'm using the kajal on the upper waterline. I'm not using kajal in my lower waterline. Now the time is my favorite mascara. I'm just a little contouring the outer corner of the lower lash line. Hey, extremely sorry to interrupt in the middle of the video. While editing, I got to know that the rest part of the video was not captured on my phone because before I shoot the rest part of the video, I paused my camera for some reasons, and also I forgot to resume the camera again. So in this video, I shared the product details which I was used for the rest part of the video, so stay tuned for that. For blush, I'm using this Blue Heaven Shimmer blush. It is in the shade 501. This is such a beautiful shade. For highlighter, this is Wet n Wild highlighter. The shade is E800. For lips, I'm using this two shade. One is from L18 and the other I really don't remember the but the shade was very peachy tone, peachy pink. This is how the color. I mix the both color and use on my lips that day. And for set my whole face makeup with this Insight Makeup Fixer Spray. This is so affordable. I hope this video will helpful to you. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.